Hello, Professor. My name is Yijiashun. My student ID is 19078985D. This is the table of contents of my presentation. Firstly, I will introduce which business analytics tools I use in this project. Then I will share the major application in real life of each tool. For the third part, I plan to discuss the cutting edge of each business analytics tools. Then I will discuss the knowledge gap between current application and my app knowledge. Then based on this information, give myself some practical suggestions. Finally, it is the conclusion. Firstly, about this project. Nowadays, technology penetrates every corner of everyone's life. With the rise of concept of fintech, technological tools such as text mining and Python programming have become essential tools to improve the efficiency of financial analysis. The part 2 is the current application. Due to the fierce competition in financial industry, this German bank faced a problem that it needs to deal with many unstandardized contracts. Also, the labor costs are high in Germany and gets a solution that uses the text mining tool to extract the information for their staff to deal with. This case can be viewed detailed in my report. In this merge and acquisition case, the problem is that the situation is complex. There is no useful software to handle the complex situation, and the manual labor to develop a new program is too time-consuming and expensive. Finally, this company chose to use Python because it is easy to use and can use web spider instead of carrying people also to deal with the different situation. This company can just do some little adjustment to satisfy another task requirement. The third one is latest development. A Hong Kong security company, Futu Securities, used text mining plus natural language process techniques to make public sentiment index for providing investment advices for institutional and individual investors. In the newspaper, the developer Python program used Baidu might curate data to identify the spatial distribution of user demand, then uses a supervised regression machine learning model to predict the corresponding number of customers, and finally develop a complete store location system based on public Wi-Fi connection data. The part 4 is knowledge gap. In this course, I can extract information and categorize them by me. For Python, I can grasp the basic statements, including string if statement and simple algorithm. For text mining, I still do not know how to use the latest text mining tools, plus financial knowledge for me is not enough to deal with the contracts. What's more, I have no practical experience and not enough statistic knowledge in the real case. For Python, I still do not know how to use pandas and how to read and write Excel file. Plus, I don't know how to grasp the data from the website instead of people doing that. What's more, I have no practical experience in internship and not enough mathematical knowledge to do the AI or machine learning project. 5 is the suggestions. For text mining, I need to find suitable courses on Coursera and plan for my future AF and AIMAC course in PolyU. Besides, I should go through some technical blog to learn how to use latest text mining tools and understand the concept about the natural language processing. For Python, I need to consolidate the basic Python knowledge and join the AF Tech Club in PolyU AF School. Besides, if possible, I should take Lgt2425 in PolyU. Finally, in my spare time, I can look out for some useful tutorial in YouTube or Bilibili. Finally, next internship I should find in fintech industry. For the text mining, I can extract, classify thousands of pieces of data and make investment recommendations accordingly. For the Python programming, what have I learned after learning the knowledge? Quickly use the Python to read the data in Excel, clean and categorize the data, perform financial asset price forecasting based on the data already available. Finally, it is the conclusion. Conclusion is idle. Therefore, I use some sentence to end my presentation. Who to idle away one's time, youth will fade, life will abandon, stay calm and thirsty for knowledge. This is my reference list. Thank you for listening to my presentation.